Imagine a place where humans can't survive for even a second. No light, no sound, just endless darkness. And then, something moves. This is not a movie. This is real footage, captured by deep-sea robots exploring the darkest parts of our ocean. Creatures so strange, they look like they were never meant to be seen. When scientists first saw these beings on camera, many of them said the same thing. This shouldn't exist, but it does. Thousands of meters below the surface. Some have teeth sharper than glass. Some can see without eyes. And one of them can change its shape to survive the darkness. Today, we're counting down the top 8 creepiest creatures found by deep-sea robots. And trust me, number 1 will make you realize something terrifying. We don't rule the ocean. We're just visitors. Number 8. Giant isopod. When deep-sea robots first captured this creature, many people thought it was fake. The giant isopod looks like a prehistoric insect, crawling slowly across the ocean floor. It's a massive relative of the tiny bugs you find under rocks, but this one lives in total darkness. What makes it unsettling isn't how it looks, it's how it survives. The giant isopod can go years without eating, waiting patiently for food to fall from above. No panic, no rush, just endless waiting. Its slow movements hide an extreme survival strategy, conserving energy in a world where meals are rare. In the deep sea, time means nothing, and patience means everything. Survival belongs to the patient, and this creature has mastered it. Number 7. Barrel-eye fish. This fish breaks the rules of biology. The barrel-eye fish has a transparent head. Yes, you can literally see inside its skull. Deep-sea robots revealed something even stranger. Its eyes rotate upward, allowing it to look straight through its own head. For decades, scientists had no idea this was possible until robotic cameras finally caught it alive. In a place where light barely exists, this fish evolved to see what others can't. Its tubular eyes glow faintly, scanning the darkness for tiny prey silhouettes above. A perfect adaptation for survival in a world almost entirely invisible to humans. Down here, nature doesn't care what looks normal. Number 6. Fangtooth fish small body. Terrifying teeth. The fangtooth fish has the largest teeth compared to its body size of any fish in the ocean. So large, in fact, that its teeth can't fit inside its mouth. Deep-sea robots captured it floating motionless, teeth exposed, waiting. Food is rare in the deep ocean, so when prey appears, hesitation means death. The fangtooth doesn't chase. It ambushes, silent, efficient, unforgiving. Its dark, menacing body blends perfectly with the surrounding blackness, making it nearly invisible until the very moment it strikes. Every movement is calculated. Every bite is deadly. In this world, only the patient and ruthless survive. Number 5. Vampire squid. Despite its name, the vampire squid doesn't drink blood, but it may be one of the strangest creatures ever filmed. Deep-sea robots found it drifting in oxygen-poor zones where most life would die instantly. When threatened, it doesn't attack. It transforms. It wraps its webbed arms around its body, exposing dark membranes and glowing eyes. Then it releases a cloud of bioluminescent light instead of ink. In the darkness, confusion is survival. And this creature has perfected it. Its soft, gelatinous body pulses like a living shadow, while glowing photophores flicker across its arms, creating an eerie, hypnotic display. Predators are mesmerized, distracted, or scared away, allowing the vampire squid to glide silently into the abyss, almost invisible to the untrained eye. Number 4. Dumbo octopus. At first glance, it looks almost peaceful. The Dumbo octopus uses ear-like fins to glide through the water, giving it a ghostly, floating appearance. Deep-sea robots recorded it hovering silently above the ocean floor. No sudden movements. No fear. But here's what makes it eerie. This octopus lives deeper than any other octopus species known to science. No ink. No speed. No escape. Its survival depends entirely on staying unseen. In the deep sea, invisibility is power. Its delicate, translucent body seems fragile, yet it survives crushing pressures where almost nothing else can. With every slow, graceful flap of its fins, it glides through a world humans can't even imagine. A world where being noticed means death, and staying hidden means survival. Even the slightest movement can attract predators, but the Dumbo octopus moves like a phantom, perfectly adapted to the endless black void. Number 3. Anglerfish. This is where the nightmare begins. The anglerfish uses a glowing lure to attract prey in total darkness. That tiny light is often the last thing its victims ever see. Deep-sea robots captured the moment that the lure pulses, soft, hypnotic. Then, suddenly, the mouth opens. It expands wider than the fish's own body, swallowing prey whole. But the most disturbing part. In some species, the male anglerfish permanently fuses to the female, losing his identity completely. Down here, survival rewrites everything. Number 2. Goblin shark. The goblin shark looks like a creature frozen in time. Pale skin, lifeless eyes, and a jaw that can launch forward out of its mouth. Deep-sea robots rarely encounter it, making every sighting unsettling. When it attacks, its jaw shoots out in a fraction of a second, grabbing prey before it can react. Its long, pointed teeth glint even in the faintest robotic light. A reminder that evolution sometimes favors the grotesque. Scientists call it a living fossil. A reminder that some ancient predators never disappeared. They just went deeper. With a slow, eerie swim, it seems almost indifferent to its surroundings. Yet every movement is calculated for survival. In the crushing darkness, the goblin shark reigns silently, a ghost of a world most humans will never see. Number 1. Deep-sea dragonfish. This creature changes everything. The deep-sea dragonfish was captured by robotic cameras using technology humans barely understand. It produces red bioluminescent light. Most deep-sea creatures cannot see red light, which means this fish can see others without being seen. It's like hunting with night vision in a world where everyone else is blind. Lined with razor-sharp teeth and glowing organs, the dragonfish isn't just adapted to the darkness. It dominates it. The deeper our robots go, the more uncomfortable the truth becomes. These creatures aren't monsters. They're not mistakes. They are perfectly evolved for a world so extreme, it reshaped life itself. No sunlight, crushing pressure, freezing cold. And yet, life didn't just survive down there. It thrived. What's truly terrifying is this. We've explored less than 5% of the ocean, which means the creatures you just saw, they're not the strangest ones. They're just the ones we've found so far. So the next time you look at the ocean and think it's calm, remember, beneath the surface is a world that doesn't fear us, doesn't need us, and doesn't even notice we're here. We don't rule the ocean. We're just visitors. If this video changed how you see the ocean, hit like. And if you want more real mysteries hidden on our planet, subscribe. Because this wasn't the deepest thing we'll uncover. Not even close.